you, Sarah? Stand up with confidence. Take the finger off of your face. You're beautiful. You have to believe it. I can tell you, but you have to believe it. What's down on the floor? I'm talking to you, so you should be right here. Because I'm no better than you. So look me in the eyes, okay? You're good enough. All right? Now, remember, gesture, projection of voice. Okay? Ready? Okay, let's go.
Mommy, these are my friends Majesty, Ananya, Kanoya, Samantha, and Sarah. Ladies, this is my mom, Mrs. Thompson.
Woo, that's a lot. Nice to meet you, ladies.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Now, it's so many of you, and I could barely hear you. So we're going to do that again, and I need you to speak up, and I need you to look at me, not the floor, okay? Because you're fabulous. All of you. Awesome ladies. So project that voice and show that confidence, okay? Zia, speak up for me, okay? Ready? Go ahead. Okay.
Mommy, these are my friends Majesty, Ananya, Kanoya, Samantha, and Sarah. Ladies, this is my mom, Mrs. Thompson.
Nice to meet you, ladies.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. How are you doing today?
I'm good today, thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Good. Y'all are so silly. Good job. Now, last but not least, Majesty, come on this side, please. Zia, you may have a seat. Great job.